How to make $100 per day online, 7 proven methods that actually work. What if I told you that making $100 a day online isn't just possible? It's easier than you think. Most people waste time on scams and fake methods. But today, I'm revealing 7 real ways to hit that $100 daily mark. And the best part? No sketchy schemes, just proven strategies that actually work. But stick around, because method number 7 is the one nobody talks about. And it's the easiest of them all. Before we start, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because I drop game-changing content every week, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Now, let's get into it. First up, freelancing. Sites like Upwork and Fiverr let you sell your skills. Writing, graphic design, video editing, you name it. Start by picking one high-demand skill. Create a killer profile and charge $20 to $50 per task. Just 2 to 5 gigs a day. And you're at $100. Next, affiliate marketing. Promote products you love. Earn commissions. Simple. Join programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Share links on social media or a blog and cash in. The trick? Focus on one niche and provide real value. No spam. Method 3. Selling digital products. Ebooks, templates, or courses. Create once, sell forever. Use Gumroad or Etsy to sell and promote on Pinterest or TikTok. Even $10 sales add up fast. Just 10 a day and you're golden. Now, this one's effortless. Surveys and micro tasks. Sites like Swagbucks or Amazon Mechanical Turk pay for small jobs. It's not glamorous, but stack a few tasks and you'll hit $50 to $100 daily. Method 5, print on demand. Design t-shirts, mugs, or posters. No inventory needed. Use Printify or Redbubble and let them handle printing and shipping. One viral design can make you thousands. Number 6, YouTube automation. No camera needed. Create faceless videos with AI tools. Monetize with ads and affiliate links. Just 10,000 views a day can easily pass $100. 7, flipping free stuff. Now, here's the big secret. Flipping free stuff. People throw away valuables every day. Scour Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist for free furniture. Fix it up and resell for hundreds. I know a guy who makes $300 per day doing this. It's that simple. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and comment $100 below. I'll reply with extra tips. And remember, the only thing stopping you is action. So pick one method. Start today, and I'll see you in the next video.